They came, they fought, and they conquered. At the Gautier Cup, Minerva Academy FC etched their names into history. From the first whistle to the final kick, they showed the world what Indian football is capable of. A victory that was more than just a trophy, it was a statement. And now, with confidence running high, the boys set their sights on the next challenge. Founded in 1982, the Dana Cup is more than just football. It's tradition, competition, and opportunity rolled into one. On these very fields, some of the world's greatest stars have once laced their boots. Javier Chicharito Hernandez, Andrea Pirlo, and legendary players across the world who later conquered the biggest stages.
और जो वैसे और भी जो पंजाब में लोग हैं, प्लेयर्स हैं, उनके लिए क्या कहना चाहेगा? मतलब कि भाई, मतलब तो सोचा था मतलब कि 2 साल पहले कि तो एक फॉरेन कंट्री में जाके
नहीं, मैं जब मैं नहीं था मिनर्वा में तो मैंने सुना था कि मिनर्वा जीती है गोतिया कप। हाँ। उस टाइम मैं मिनर्वा में नहीं था। हाँ। तो ऐसा काफ़ी सरप्राइज थे। हाँ। फिर अभी खुद जीत गया। तो मतलब लोग सपने देख सकते हैं ना, फिर सपना देखने वालों के पूरे होते हैं। हमेशा हार्ड वर्क करना चाहिए और कभी भी एफर्ट कम नहीं करना चाहिए, हमेशा फुल
मेहनत करोगे तो तुम अचीव कर ही लोगे। हाँ। है ना। और यू गाइस ऑल्सो, एक टूर्नामेंट खत्म दूसरा शुरू। वैसे लकीली यहाँ पे एक दिन का गैप मिला है।
हाँ, दैट्स ग्रेट। भी हमको गैप मिल गया और हमारे को प्रिपरेशन का टाइम है, क्योंकि ये फॉर्मेट भी अलग है और बॉल का साइज़ भी अलग है। सो इसमें थोड़ी सी स्टार्टिंग में दिक्कत आने वाली है, तो हमें इसको अभी देखना पड़ेगा भी बॉल पे कितना वेट चाहिए और कितनी जल्दी इसको हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि छोटा बॉल है, फास्ट चलेगा। तो वो थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम रहेगी। वहाँ पे अभी ग्राउंड अगर आर्टिफिशियल हुआ तो बॉल तो बहुत ही तेज़ चलेगा, तो वो भी बहुत एक मायने रखा। और ट्रेनिंग सेशन तो बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि इसमें अभी जैसे हम 11 खेले तो 2 प्लेयर कम हुए। अब 9v9 खेल के जीते हैं इधर, तो 2 प्लेयर और कम हो गए। तो अब ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि कौन सा प्लेयर किस पोजीशन पे हमके निकालना है, भी हमारी अटैकिंग भी
डिफरेंट होगी
और डिफेंडिंग भी सेम उस पर पेस करे।
हाँ, पेस सेम है, बट आई थिंक रोल्स एंड रिस्पांसिबिलिटी ऑफ प्लेयर्स विल बी डिफरेंट
हो जाती है। और हम अपनी जो फिलॉसफी है उसको इसमें ही मेंटेन करना चाहते हैं। जो भी हम फॉर्मेट खेलें तो हमें हमारे प्लेयर्स को जो 1-2 क्विक पासेस, कॉम्बिनेशन प्ले एंड मेकिंग रन्स, सो दे नीड टू फॉलो दैट। सो वी वांट टू force that yes, they must follow our philosophy and we should win this tournament also.
We will get really good teams because जो वहाँ पे सेमीफाइनल, क्वार्टर फाइनल्स एंड सेमीफाइनलिस्ट जो हमारे को अर्जेंटीना को जिससे पेनल्टी शूटआउट पे हारी थी पैलेस्टाइन की टीम, वो भी आई हुई है और वो 7-8 खेल रही है। सेम विद इवन सिलेक्शन एलीट जो मेक्सिको से टीम आई है, वो भी यहीं पे आई हुई है, वो भी यहीं पे 7-8 खेल रही है। तो वो हमें फाइनल हमें को सेमीफाइनल में मिलेगी और वो वाली हमें फाइनल में मिलेगी। सो वाई वी हैव टू बी सो श्योर दैट आवर गेम इज सो गुड दैट हम फाइनल में डिस्ट्रॉय करें। फाइनल सेमीफाइनल में अगर ऐसा रिजल्ट आया ना, फिर मज़ा आएगा दैट वी डिस्ट्रॉयड द सेमीफाइनल एंड फाइनल, बट दैट विल ओनली हैपन इफ यू गेट इनटू अ हैबिट। हमने बिल्कुल भी इतना सा भी, तुम लोग ना थोड़ी देर के बाद इन पे तरस खाना लग जाते हो। इन पे तरस क्यों खाना है? किस बात के लिए खाना तरस?
सारी जगह दूसरी टीमों को मारता ना इंडिया।
4 साल हो गए इस हर एक टूर्नामेंट को। यहाँ पे हर एक साल यहाँ पे 5 से 7 इंडियन टीम्स आती हैं एवरी ईयर, और एवरी ईयर क्या करती हैं? 20 गोल खाती हैं, 30 गोल खाती हैं। ये मेरे को बोला गया कि एक बार नहीं, ये सारे इंडियंस के लिए सुन लो, मेरे को हर बार ये गोरे बोलते हैं आगे, एवरी टाइम वी केम टू स्मैश 30 गोल्स अगेंस्ट यू, 20 गोल्स अगेंस्ट यू, व्हाट इज दिस टीम? एंड नाउ वी गॉट 30-20 गोल्स, नाउ वी गोना स्मैश इवन 40 मैन, कम ऑन, वी गोना मेक अ रिकॉर्ड, वी नेवर गोना ब्रेक ब्रोकन।
They are the best thing we've seen in this tournament. We saw some other professional teams, players from Brazil, Argentina, Denmark, England. Nothing competes to these boys. They are just next level. These are the boys gonna save India's football, that's for sure. And Ranjit Bajaj is doing a hell of a job training these boys.
And about the quality of football, did you like the quality and the way they were playing football?
Yeah, I find it crazy how good they are because like it's not that big over there, but they're like pros. They do so good.
And we had some other players from, we are from California, so I brought my teammates' parents, my daughter's teammates' parents with us. They were surprised too. And then when we were coming back from Sweden to Denmark, the whole ferry ride, they were just talking about this team. Now everybody has them as their favorite team, and then they're checking non-stops. And then we were talking about how in Helsinki they made like 30 records over there, most goals scored, most goals per team, like per match, and same thing in Gatia. They had like 5-6 records to their name.
So if you want to pick one best player of the team, who will you pick? Chetan Tiwari?
Chetan's my favorite.
And for you?
Same.
Chetan Tiwari. Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Azam bhai, third final. How are you feeling?
Very excited to play, but we never overconfident. I've told us in the finals, Buenos Aires, Chiki.
And
Tomorrow, maybe we win.
until we win, we will not be resting, right? And both the finals which you lost, we were the better team.
Yeah.
The opponent just played low block. चल जो हो गया है ना, कल एक और उठाते हैं.
इसका यहाँ पता लगना चाहिए सबको कि कोई टीम आई थी और इंडिया से आई थी और सबको ठोक के गई है. क्या करना है? ठोकना है. क्या करना है? ठोकना है. क्या करना है? ठोकना है. Who are we? Champions. What is your profession? World champions. Who are we? World champions. Who are we? World champions. Yes, we Indians are world champions. And now the world better believe it today that these boys are going to get us to the World Cup. You guys. So today is a time not to be selfish again. Today is a time to play beautiful football, which people say, oh, ooh, wow, one touch. Today is a time to show them what beautiful football you can do. And in the final half, final third, dribble as much as you want. Nobody will stop you. Till the final third, please follow each and everything you've been doing till now. We reached the final because of that. And because of what? You're pressing. You're counter-pressing. You're gegen-pressing. That means you lose the ball. What do? Counter-press. What do? Counter-press. Exactly. Immediately. We use the half spaces. We use zone 14. And we kill this team from minute 1. We are so much above. We are on 95 goals. We are the only team which is going to get 100 goals in one tournament in 7 matches. किसी की और की औकात नहीं है करने की. हमारा जो हमने किया करके दिखाए फिर बोले. ठीक है? Because lot of haters will speak, but we are way above it. Why? Because we play for what? India. Yeah, we play for what? India. This is nothing, man. This is what we play for. Today we are playing for 1.5 billion people. Today we are going to get the trophy. Who are we? Champions. Who are you? World champions. Who are you? World champions. Who are we? World champions. Who are we? World champions. Come on, boys! Come on! India! 3, 2, 1, India!
Victory in the Dana Cup was historic. Minerva Academy FC had gone toe-to-toe with Europe's best and come out on top. But football never stops. Even as the celebrations settled, a new challenge awaited, the Norway Cup, the world's largest youth football tournament.
Dana Cup again in the cabinet of Minerva.
Yeah, Cabinet of India.
Yeah, cabinet of India.
Cabinet of India.
How are you feeling right now?
The first Indian team and started in 82. So first Indian team in 43 years. Checked up, over 100 Indian teams have participated in the Dana Cup till today. Over 400 in Gothia Cup till today, because they've been doing 53 years. We're the first ones to ever win it. And just that, bhai, that says it all, man. This is what they used to do to us, man. We're fucking doing it to them. It's a European country. Malta is a European country. It's supposed to be their best academy. And it shows with the proper training and with the proper diet what these guys can do. So it's not a fluke, man. This is all planned. This is just the culmination of what we did. The hard work is paying off. And war is paying off, man. We're dominating. Please talk to the Europeans and talk to them about this team. Go and see this team in other matches you'll see. I'm so proud of my boys. So proud. I told them 15 goals. Why? Because we would have touched 200 goals in Europe. Plus minus the GD of all 4 goals scored against us, even that. So 200 plus, 100 plus in Dana is all done.
In Norway, Minerva wasted no time. From the very first game, they dominated with flair and precision, marching unbeaten into the knockouts. Step Out once again stood shoulder to shoulder with the team, turning raw match data into winning strategies, making sure no detail was left to chance.
Do you like the team?
Yes.
Yes.
The game style. What do you like in this team?
They are so well played. They play
are,
together in good style. The passes always hit a person.
So we play good position-based
They
football.
know each other on the pitch, where to stand.
So if I need to ask you, who's the best player in our team, the blue team? Whom you
Number
will pick?
18. Number 18.
Number 18?
Yeah, number 18.
Chetan, for you? Number 18?
Yes.
For you?
The coach.
The coach?
You.
Oh, started getting it.
Started getting supporters.
First of all, what are you aiming in this Norway Cup? Except for winning it.
Oh, that is given, man. We have to win it. But the second thing is about setting new records. Setting records that no one has done this, so that people remember that there was one team from India. And they talk about us for the years to come. And records are meant to be broken. But I really hope the record we set is going to be broken by another Indian team down the road. Because we've started this. We've shown all our brothers and sisters back home that yes, it's possible. Indians can dominate football. You just need the right nutrition, the right diet, right training facilities, and we can be as good and not as good as you can see, better than anyone. If the Indians put our mind to it, we cannot be stopped. We are unstoppable.
And any team in the competition which you think, doing the same thing and they are doing good?
Yeah, there are three teams I saw yesterday in score lines who had a score of 21-1, 20-0, 11-0, 13-0. So we have competition. It's not that it's going to be easy. Why I'm confident is that these boys raise their level. Doesn't matter what competition they face. What I've seen is every tournament they've got better. What I've seen is every tournament their passes have got better. The confidence in themselves. See, पहले तो आते ऐसे लगता था. पहले इनको भी believe करना था ना कि अच्छा हम गोरों से इतना अच्छा है. हम गोरों से इतनी अच्छी पासिंग करते हैं. हम उनसे इतनी अच्छी फिटनेस है हमारी. हमारा स्टैमिना भी उनसे ज़्यादा है क्योंकि इन्होंने भी पूरी ज़िंदगी वही सुना था जो हमने सुना था. ओ हो गोरे गोरे गोरे. It's all here, man. And now when you prove it to yourself, oh my God, you're better. These guys think that you put in Barcelona in front of them, Real Madrid in front of them, they will give them a fight. तो मैं बोला मैं उनको पूछ रहा था मैं क्या अगर ये तो चलो इनको मार रहे हो मैं वो आगे क्या करो क्या ठोकेंगे सर. So just that word coming from their mouth doesn't matter what happens, you have to understand the mentality of an Indian boy saying हम बार्सिलोना को ठोकेंगे is mind blowing and they actually believed it. Okay, they said it in a way. हाँ तो ठोकेंगे क्या हो गया तो. और आधा बैटल वहीं खत्म हो गया भाई. आधा बैटल is won there. Because half the battle is convincing us Indians that we can really beat them, man. Once that is done, then it's just actually doing it on the field. So I think we are 50% there, and with a little bit of more tweaks and all, I think India can go really far.
So basically when we went to we went to Mina Cup earlier, वो कुछ कैमरा यूज़ करते हैं, मुझे तो पता नहीं था उस टाइम पे. अभी जनरली इंडिया में क्या होता है, हैंडी कैम यूज़ करते हैं लोग, कुछ तो करते ही नहीं कुछ भी, बट वी रिकॉर्ड एवरी मैच. एंड इसमें क्या होता है ना, आपको पूरा एनालिसिस करके देता है, सारा कुछ आपको क्लिप्स कट करके तो देता है मैच, मतलब आपको एनालिटिक्स भी देगा, हीट मैप और रियल टाइम प्ले भी आप देख सकते हो. सो मैच हमारा यहाँ ख़त्म नहीं होता है, मैच अपना ख़त्म होता है ग्राउंड में, ख़त्म नहीं होता है मैच अपना ख़त्म होता है तो मैच एनालिसिस ख़त्म हो जाता है.
They stormed through the quarterfinals and the semifinals with flawless performances.
How was the game?
Amazing game, amazing fans, the atmosphere here, it was crazy. We're very live and support India. Of course, the opposite team, Palestina, they also played amazing. The physicality and the emotions in this game was amazing, truly. I would really thank everybody that has contributed and participated during the game. Thank you very much.
Thank you, man.
Everyone wants to watch, everyone to face them, everyone wants to beat them. That's great. I really congratulations for you, for your team. You did well, and hope to see you on World Cup on 2034. Of course, we hope to see you there.
See you.
That's one of the main reasons for playing 7v7, because I want my boys to be scouted. Now see what happens is somebody like a Raj or, for example, a Punshiba or a Chinkai, suppose we are leading and it's a good team, I'm talking about 11v11. In an entire match they get the ball twice, 2 times.
True.
The goalkeeper never even gets the ball. Imagine that. So in this, at least we have that we've got everybody taking multiple touches on the ball so that they can see their skills. This is where they can express themselves, because in the 11v11 we don't allow them to. They're basically machines. Okay, so they've been this all positional play, is movement and into spaces and out of spaces, and then making sure that you are doing your runs. So it's more like a team thing. Whereas in a 7v7 you have a little bit of individual flair and skill, and shots coming and people are shooting. So where you have a package of a boy, highlight package, when you show them 11v11, then you show them a 9v9, and you show them a 7v7, and you show them going well, doing so well in each and every category. That means in a 7v7 you understand spatial awareness. That means you have very little space, so you have to be very good technically and being able to control the ball in small spaces. In 11v11 they see your tactical understanding of the match, whether you're able to make runs, whether you're able to understand where your line is for defense, whether you're able to keep a high line or a block. All these different things a scout needs to see. Scout will not just come and see, 11v11, he's played 5 matches, he's come. No. That's why we made him play so many different formats.
With every goal, every win, the belief grew stronger, not just within the squad, but for Indian football as a whole.
Can I tell you something? Haaland has played on this ground. Imagine that. Christian Eriksen has played on this ground. Zlatan Ibrahimovic has played on this ground. And you're going to play on this ground. So make sure you play better than them. I'm not kidding, man. Why? Because they couldn't do what you did. Let me just tell you, we've already got a record here. In 2000 teams, those are teams. This is the world's, एक हम World Youth Cup खेल के आए थे, which is known as the World Youth Cup, Gothia Cup. ये क्या है? This is the world's biggest tournament in number of teams. 2000 teams, 30,000 players, categories 6 to 19. Maximum goal scoring teams 2000 teams में से कौन है? हम मतलब कौन? इंडिया. कौन? इंडिया. इंडिया की सिर्फ एक टीम है, और कहाँ पे है? नंबर 1 पे. Goals scored, goals average. And I want today, जैसे हमने हेलसिंकी वहाँ पे पिछले मैदाना में सेट किया रिकॉर्ड, highest goal margin in a final ever, 15-0. यहाँ पे भी ठोको ऐसा, because that is what we are known for. क्या करना है आज? ठोकना है. Understand, these people in India have loved that part so much because they love the way you play. No mercy, man. We don't show mercy. This is the new India. So हमने world record देखो कितने बनाए हैं यहाँ पे. Already we are the only team in the world in 50 years. 50 साल में सिर्फ एक टीम हुई है जिसने जाके 4 फाइनल 1 महीने में खेल ली है. एक रिकॉर्ड हो गया. एक और रिकॉर्ड होएगा कि जिसपे हमने आज 3 वर्ल्ड के सबसे बिगेस्ट टूर्नामेंट्स हैं वो हम आज जीतेंगे. जीत लेंगे. We are going to win today because the title is coming home with us. कहाँ जा रहा है टाइटल? कहाँ जा रहा है? कहाँ जा रहा है? कहाँ जा रहा है? इंडिया। तीनों टाइटल हमारे पास घर पे आएंगे, फिर हमारे को कोई बोल के दिखाए इंडियंस कांट प्ले फुटबॉल. We don't play, we dominate.
And then came the final, the stage where champions are truly defined. Their opponents stood tall, but Minerva stood taller. With fire in their hearts and precision in their play, they conquered the Norway Cup in blood-taking fashion. A margin of 13 goals across the tournament's biggest stage, an emphatic victory that will be remembered for years to come.
What a visuals, man.
Everywhere we go, people wanna know, who we are, where we come from, we are.
This was more than a trophy. It was a message that Indian football belongs here, among the best in the world. And for Minerva Academy FC, this was just the beginning.